I'd like to review this morning's early trade recommendations for the Emini and show you where the trading idea came from. We started out the day wanting to be sellers, and the reason we wanted to be sellers was that we were dealing with volume moving lower through time, yielding the B patterns, and we had a low volume number right here that had been taken out, and we knew we were going to get probably at least down to the 65 area. I thought there was pretty good support in the 55 to 60 area, so my first buy was 60.62, and it did bounce the market, then 55.57, and we got a nice bounce out of that. We had hoped to sell 70s to 72s, but when you broke this low right here, you had to sell stop into the market as per our trading rules, and you were short in the 65 area, give or take. So the idea when we came in was to be a seller. We had hoped to sell 70 to 72s, but our trade setups, our methodology, our prescribed entries, in this case, you would have had a sell stop when you took out XA low right there at 66. Taking a look at the F4 screen, it's all fine and good. How do you want to make a particular trade? How do you want to do it? It's nice that you want to be a seller or a buyer, but you got to get the trade on. So how do you do that? Once we've made our trading decision, we go to our F4 screen to execute the trade. And right up here, we have a little head and shoulders pattern that holds. And when you break this bars low, you can be short in the 65 area, 64, 65, and the market trades down and stops first at 60. So this particular trade off of our original idea worked, and it produced a winner. On this trade right here, the long, we did have a recommended buy at 60 to 62. You would have been long at 63, and the market traded up to 66. So this trade would have been a winner. You had a shot at 2 points. Mean green trade would have you short a tick inside of the mean green line up there, so you'd be short at 65.75, and the market did trade down to 55. So this was a heck of a winner. You're 3 for 3 right now, and off of our V bottom entry, you could have been long in this area at 56.75, buy stop, and you took yourself out against 60. That was a nice trade. Here's another mean green trade right here, which is one of our prescribed trades, and you would be short a tick inside the mean green line, so you were short at 275, 62.75. And it produced another winning trade down to the 55.57 area. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, all winners, all based on our idea, all based on our setups off the software. And you had a shot at 4 plus 2 plus up to 10, that's 16, back to 60, that's 19, and then from 62.75 down to the 56 area, another 6 points. So you had a shot at 25 points if you'd taken the trades. And this is what the S&P is all about. Looking forward to seeing you in the not-so-distant future. Y'all have a great evening, weekend. Good trading to all.